A class action lawsuit brought by black federal public servants went to a court in Toronto today. The plaintiffs are seeking $2.5 billion in damages for salaries and pensions they say were not received due to discrimination. The action involves 45,000 black government workers. They say the cases of anti-black racism go back as far as 1970 and involve 99 federal government departments and agencies. The hearing that began today will determine if the class action suit can proceed. Let's get more from Shalima Maharaj.
The workers united shall never be defeated.
Supporters converged on Queen Street in downtown Toronto, where a federal court hearing got underway.
We are collectively here today to express our disappointment in the Government of Canada's position, continuing to fight black workers.
It's meant to determine whether a class action lawsuit against the federal government alleging widespread systemic discrimination across all levels of the federal public service can go forward. The plaintiffs are seeking $2.5 billion in damages.
When I started, I found out that there was a lot of violent practices inside of the commission towards their employees, but also that the same practices were discriminatory towards people that would file complaints at the commission, and usually their complaints would be turned down because of the color of their skin.
About 45,000 people are among the proposed class members, those who were employed by the government dating back more than 5 decades.
They acknowledge that, yes, there's discrimination in the public service. Anti-black racism is wrong. They acknowledge this in court documents. What they want to tell us, though, however, is that the court doesn't have jurisdiction. The court shouldn't have jurisdiction.
Federal NDP leader Jagmeet Singh standing shoulder to shoulder with demonstrators.
This is to the federal government. Stop fighting black workers in court and settle this disagreement right now. Settle it.
In Ottawa, Justice Minister and Attorney General Arif Irani was asked about the hearing.
So I'm not going to comment on litigation that is underway. The reason that I do not do that is because the words that come out of the Attorney General's mouth could be deemed to influence an ongoing process that would be inappropriate in a democracy.
In the meantime, the certification hearing is expected to last up to 12 days. Shalima Maharaj.